Hello everyone, you might sometime lost your WhatsApp data in your Android device, or you mistakenly delete some important chats and media files from your WhatsApp in your Android device. So how you can retrieve that data back to your device in just simple steps. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop a like to the video, and let's get started. Tip 1. So here in the first method, you have to restore the data from Drive in Android and from iCloud in iOS device. To do that, you have to again download the WhatsApp from Play Store and log in using old mobile number, and here you find a option to restore the data, and after doing these steps all your old data is restored in your mobile device. Tip 2. Here in second method I'll showing you can retrieve deleted messages from WhatsApp without backup. So here firstly you have to download the Droid Kit application from description link and run in your Windows or Mac and connect your mobile device using a USB cable to the laptop or PC. Then choose WhatsApp recovery and lost data recovery option. Click start and do all the following steps. Step 1. Backup your chats on your device. Step 2. Allow Droid Kit to install custom WhatsApp on your device. Step 3. Give all the required permissions. Step 4. Sign into your account and restore your data. After all that, all your data is recovered and you can choose you want to save either on your device or in your PC. So after that all your data is recovered, enjoy with your data. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel.